In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your money from your PayPal account. It is no longer a news that Nigerians are not allowed to create PayPal accounts. And for creators like us that need PayPal accounts to receive payment from brands or international clients, we need PayPal accounts to do that. In my previous video, I made a video talking about how to create a PayPal account that send and receive money in Nigeria. If you haven't seen the video, you will find the video up here, or you check the description box. I put the link in description box so that you can watch how you can create yours without leaving your comfort zone, without having to use VPN, without sharing your money with other person. So why am I making this video? I am making this video because nobody wants their money to be, stuck in one place where you can see your money but you can't receive it. That was why I'm making this video. I want you to have your money in your bank account. But after I made that videos, I made a promise to you that I will show you how you can withdraw your money from your PayPal account to your own bank account. But guess what, guys? PayPal is very, very strict, like so strict. So I tried to link up my Nigerian card, but guess what? It's not linking. So I don't know who owns that PayPal, but guess what? They aren't joking with their security, because I tried all my possible best to link on Nigerian card, even Visa card, Verve card, UBA prepaid card, that is a dollar card. I tried all that, it is not working. But guess what? I have a solution. Trust me, we don't gatekeep here. I tell you every little details I know. No gatekeeping, right? The only way you can link your bank account is by linking your USA bank account. You heard me right. So calm down, relax, I got you. In this space, all we spill out is the truth and the solutions to your problem, right? That is why you need to like this video, subscribe, and share it to your friends. You only have one way to link your bank account, and that is USA bank account. You can use a great app to get USA bank accounts, UK bank accounts, Euro, pounds, everything is on Grape app. You can use their website or their app. If you want me to make a video on how to create accounts with them, if you want me to make a video on that, kindly let me know in the comment section. And please, your opinions count on this channel. Put your opinion down there in the comment section. Like this video too. YouTube said we are lacking views. Guys, help a sister. I am doing this right here for you for free. In my previous video, I talked about how much someone asked me to pay to create a PayPal account, and right here I am giving you for free. The only way you can help me grow is by liking this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, Adekunle Adeola here, popularly known as Adeola Remote Riches. On this channel, I talked about how to make money online, how to start online business from scratch to a monetization point. All I do on this channel is to bring you information that works, to bring you tips and strategy on how to make money online. And if that is what you're looking for, smash on that subscribe below, turn the notification bell on, and like this video. Without much stories, let's go straight into my screen. Log into your PayPal account, and here is my PayPal account. Now you can see it is okay. So link your card or your bank account. So I'll be linking my US bank account, and if you don't have US bank account, I want you to comment below this video to let me know if I should make a video on how you can get a US bank account. Click on this three dots right here, come to pay and get paid, go down and see bank and cards. Click on it, scroll down and click on link a bank. So I'll be linking my US bank account. Scroll down and you will see link a US bank instead. So click on link a US bank account instead and leave it as check-in. Put your routing number, which I'll be doing right now. I want to input my account number. Click on done and click on link your bank. You can see you are all set. You have joined the community, blah 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 blah. So after you link your card, let it sit for like 2 to 3 days, max 4 days, before you place a withdrawal. Hi darling, welcome back. I hope you've learned how you can link your PayPal account to your USA bank account, and if you still have issues while linking, put it right here in the comment section. Don't worry, Adekunle Adeola got you. That is why I'm here for you. If you want me to make a research for you, you want me to do something for you, you're trying to find a thing or you don't know how to go about it, put it below in this comment section. I'm here for you, right? Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, then you are missing out. Smash on that subscribe button and turn the bell on. I will see you in my next one. Bye.